Okay, in this video we're checking out the Balisong 56 Hybrid Split Z frame from Francisco Aerospace Technologies. It's a small company. They have these frames cut by Armaton Productions. As you can see here, you can check the link down below. Armaton cuts these frames. Pretty nice. Obviously here, 5-inch Split Z hybrid type frame. It's got a bigger, wider arm in the back and a little bit narrower in the front. It's about 55 grams. This plate here, the top and bottom plate, are 3 millimeters thick. The arms are 4 millimeters thick, and these brace pieces are 2 millimeters thick. So it's pretty lightweight and fairly stiff. Obviously, with a split Z configuration, you have the back motors higher than the front motors for cleaner air for the back motors. Obviously that's a common design element that we see these days. The stack mounting is 20 by 20 and 30 by 30. There's a small area here for the camera. No TPU mounts are included, but you can probably print those out from Thingiverse. Just obviously put it on the M3 standoff, and you can put your camera right here for a pretty huge angle. Obviously this is meant for racing, but let me go ahead and show you the weight of this. I think it was about 55 grams. Yeah, it's 55 grams. So definitely on the ultra light side. And you could probably use like 2204 motors on this one. Putting this together was fairly straightforward. You just have to sandwich the arms between the brace and the top and bottom plates, as you can see here, and also in the front as well. And it uses these press fit nuts here and the screw to sandwich this outer section. So it's obviously using this method here of layering this top plate and the arm together along with the screws to give it a little bit more rigidity, even though it's really super skinny. So it's going to obviously not have a lot of drag through the air. So this should be an interesting frame to fly if you're into racing and want something kind of light and very maneuverable. I think this is going to be something like that. I'm not sure if I'm going to build this out. I don't really have any ultralight motors. Currently, maybe I might acquire some to build this out. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions about this frame. I'll have a link down in the description if you guys want to check it out. And that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.